The mountain climber? In a small village surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a boy named Bilal. He loved to look at the biggest mountain, the one that seemed to touch the sky. Bilal had a dream. He wanted to climb that mountain and stand on its peak. But whenever Bilal told people about his dream, they laughed at him. "No one can climb that mountain," they said. "It's too high, too dangerous. It's impossible." Bilal didn't let their words discourage him. He believed that if he tried, he could make it. One day he told his parents about his dream. They didn't laugh. Instead, they said, "Climbing this mountain will be very hard, Bilal, but if you are ready to work step by step, you can do it." Bilal started preparing. Every day he practiced by climbing small hills near the village. He made his body strong and learned about mountains and how to climb them safely. Some villagers teased him, saying, "You're wasting your time. You'll never do it." But Bilal didn't let their words stop him. He kept working hard. Finally, the day came. Bilal packed a small bag with food, water, and tools. He held his walking stick tightly and began climbing the mountain. The path was steep, full of rocks, and very slippery. The air became colder and thinner as he climbed higher. Many times, Bilal slipped and fell. Sometimes he felt so tired that he wanted to stop. But every time he told himself, "Just one more step. I can do this." Hours turned into days. Bilal faced storms, hunger, and pain, but he never gave up. And one morning, just as the sun was rising, Bilal reached the top of the mountain. He stood on the peak, surrounded by clouds. The world below looked so small and beautiful. Bilal felt proud. He had done what everyone thought was impossible. When he came back to the village, people were amazed. They couldn't believe he had climbed the mountain. They looked at Bilal with respect and asked him how he did it. Bilal smiled and said, "The mountain wasn't impossible. I just believed in myself, took one step at a time, and kept going." The lesson? No matter how big or hard your dream looks, you can achieve it. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up. Even the tallest mountain can be climbed one step at a time.